Good evening, guys. In the last class, we started the discussion related to Stream API. Stream API introduced in Java 1.8 version. Stream API is used to process the data. Collections are used to store the data, whereas Stream API is used to process the data. Stream API is one of the major changes that happened in Java 1.8 version. Okay, stream represents collection of elements from a source. Stream will take the data from a source and it is going to process the data. Source can be an array or source can be one collection. And we need to remember that stream is not a data structure. Stream means bunch of operations applied on source data. Right, stream is not going to change original data structure. It will just process the data given by the source. Now, how to create the stream? In Java, we can create a stream in two ways. One is by using auth method. Second one is by using stream method. All right, so here we can create stream by using auth method, or we can create the stream by using .stream method and stream operations. So Stream API provided several methods to perform operations on the data. Those operations are divided into two types. First one is intermediate operations. Second one is terminal operations. Intermediate operational methods available. Terminal operational methods also available. Intermediate operational methods are used to perform the operation and will return a new stream. Like filter and map are the examples for intermediate operations. Intermediate operations means perform the operation and always returns a new stream. Then what about terminal operations? Terminal operational methods will take input and will provide the result as output. For example, count. Good. Next one. Yesterday we have seen what is a filter in the stream. Filter is a method in the Stream API which is used to filter the data by using stream. It is used to filter and returns the output as a new stream. For example, getting even numbers from given numbers, getting the employee's salary greater than some value, getting the mobiles based on the brand or based on the price, something like that. So here, filter method parameter is a predicate, a Lambda expression. Predicate is a functional interface. Functional interfaces are used to call the lambdas. Good. Filter method will take a condition, will check the condition. If the elements satisfy the condition, those elements will be returned as a new stream. Yesterday we have done 3 examples on the filter. Here, a simplest way that we used to perform operations with the filter. Good. List.stream.filter. If number greater than 20, then print those numbers. Second filter, names. Any name which starts with A, print that name on the console. Then third filter. Here I am using 2 filters, guys. So one is to check the age of the person, and the second one is to check the name of the person. You can combine multiple filters also by using .filter method. .filter method will return a stream. On that stream, again we are calling the .filter method. Again we can call the .filter method. So multiple filters also we can apply on the stream to filter the data based on the requirement. And the third example, user records we filtered based on the age and based on the name. So I hope you understood how to perform filter by using stream. Filters by using stream. Clear, guys? Filter method in the stream. Perfect. Next one, mapping operations. Filter operations completed. Now we are going for mapping operations. Mapping operations belongs to intermediate operations in the stream. Mapping operations belongs to intermediate operations in the Stream API. Okay, filters are used to filter the data, get the required data from original data, that is called filter. Mapping operations also belongs to intermediate operations in the Stream API. Mapping operations means perform the operation and returns new stream. Those are intermediate operations, right? Mapping operations are used to transform the elements of the stream and return transformed elements. Mapping operations are used to transform nothing but conversion, transform the stream elements, and return transformed elements as a new stream. Okay, filter means filter will take original data, it will filter the data, will give filtered data as a new stream. Okay, similarly, here we have mapping operations. What is the purpose of mapping operations? Mapping operations are also belongs to intermediate operations in the Stream API. Mapping operations are used to transform the stream elements and return transformed elements as new stream. Mapping operations are belongs to intermediate operations in the Stream API. Mapping operations are used to transform the stream elements and return transformed elements as new stream. Okay, now, so what is the input for this? What is the parameter of the map? Let me take some values. Arrays dot as list. I'm taking some names as a list. Arrays dot as list. I want to create one list. Some names I'm taking here. India, USA, UK, Japan. Something like this. Some country names I'm taking. These country names I want to represent as a collection. So arrays dot as list. I got few names. Now I want to convert all the collection elements to uppercase characters. I want to convert all the collection elements to uppercase characters, and I want to get the names back as a uppercase characters. Filter means getting required data from original data. So here I have given some countries. In the countries, I want to get the countries which are starting with the character U. That is a filter. But I don't want to do filter now. I want to do transformation. Transformation I want to perform. I have some elements in the collection. These collection elements I want to convert into uppercase characters. These collection elements I want to convert into uppercase characters, and that converted elements I want to get. In general, how we will write it? For string name colon names. Now system.out.println name dot to uppercase. Every name I'm going to get by using for each loop, and I'm going to convert that name into uppercase by using to uppercase method. It is a normal regular Java logic. This is legacy logic. Now I want to perform this operation by using Stream API. I have list of values, list of names available. Those names I want to convert into uppercase, and I want to get the converted values. I need to go for a filter, or I need to go for map in the stream. For the given requirement, filter or map. Guys, for the given requirement, I need to go for a filter or I need to go for map. What is the difference between filter and map? What is the difference between filter and map? Come on, difference between filter and map. Filter is used to get required data from original data. Map means transform the complete data and get the transformed data. So fine, I want to do this map operation. For doing that map operation, I have names, list of names available, names.stream, stream.map. Map is taking function. Filter is taking a filter. Map is taking a function. What is the meaning of a function? Function will take input and will provide the output. Function will take the input and function will provide the output. Okay, so here map method map method is available. Map method will take a function as a input. Function functional interface, and it is going to return a stream. Filter and map both are intermediate operations. Will take the input and filter will return the new stream. Filter will perform the operation, will return the new stream. Map also will perform the operation, will return the new stream. But syntactically, filter method will take a predicate as a input and return the stream as output. Map method will take a function as a input, return the stream as output. What is the difference between predicate and function? We already discussed in the functional interfaces. What is the difference between predicate and function, guys? Do you remember? Now, are you able to understand why we covered predicate, function, consumer, supplier before coming to Stream API? Stream API will use those functional interfaces. Predicate will take the input and will return only true or false value. What about the function? Function will take the input and will return the output also. Okay, here map will take each value I will give as input for the map, and map will convert into uppercase, will give me the converted value. Dot map function it is expecting, I will give the name, then name dot to uppercase. Name dot to uppercase dot for each name. I will print that name. System dot out dot println of that name. In the single line, I'm trying to implement this logic. In the single line, I'm trying to implement this logic. Are we able to do this? List of names available, names.stream for that collection. I create with that source is a collection now. From the source, I created a stream.map. Map is taking function as the input. Each name I am giving as input for the map. It is converting the name to uppercase and it is giving me the new stream, transformed values. The transformed values, names.stream will give the stream object, stream.map, map is used to transform and will give the new stream. On the transformed stream, I'm calling the forEach method to print each element which is transformed. Are we able to transform the data by using map, filter method and a map method? Able to understand the difference? Filter is used to filter the data. Map is used to transform the data. Map is used to transform the data. Are you clear with my point? Are you clear with my point? Are you clear with my point? Yes, example. Mapping operation, filter operation and a mapping operation. Map example 1. Example 1 on map method. Example 1 on map method. Perfect. Example 1 on map method. Now, here guys, we can go for another method called map to int. There is another method here we are calling the map method, right? Instead of the map method, we can go for map to int. We can go for map to int. Names dot stream. Names dot stream. Names dot stream dot map to int. Int function. To int function. To int function. Now, map to int function is available. Map to int function is available. Here I'm giving name as a input and I want to get the length of the name. Name I am giving, I'm going to get name dot length. Dot for each. Dot for each. Length. Each length. Name each name length I want to get it. System dot out dot println of I. System dot out dot println of I. Now see, it is giving the length of the each name. Okay, here I'm getting the map. Map is going to transform the data and it is giving the new transformed data. Now here I'm calling names dot stream and here I'm getting the length of the each name. Map method is available, map to int available, map to long available, map to double available. Okay, so we are able to get the length of the each name. We are able to get the length of the each name. Are you able to understand what is a map? Yeah, next up, let us take a requirement. Let us take a requirement. I'm going to give you some names. I'm going to give you some names, Ashok and some Ashok and Anil, Raju, Rani, John, Akash, Charles. I have given some names. Can you write a Java program? Can you write a Java program to print length of the names which are starting with character A? Okay, print name with length, print name with its length which are starting with the character A. Print name with its length which are starting with character A by using Stream API. Using Stream API. Can you write the logic for this? Can you think of the logic? Can you think of logic for the given requirement? I want to print name with length, not just length. Name should be printed, length also should be printed. Not just length, name with length, name hyphen length. Output should be like this: Ashok 5, Anil 4, Akash 5. Like this I want the output. Like this I want the output. I have given few names as a collection. Now you need to write a logic to perform operation. Your logic should find out the names which are starting with character A, print that name along with length. Print that name along with length by using stream. Can I do this by using only map? Can I achieve this requirement by using only map? No. Can I achieve this requirement by using only filter? No. Here, print names which are starting with character A. That means I need to filter the data. For that, I need to use a filter method. Filter method return type is what? Filter method return type is what? Stream only. On that stream, I am going to call the map. Map is used to transform the data. Name is available. Name should be transformed to name with length. That I need to print. Okay, see the logic for this. See the logic for this. Names dot stream. Names dot stream dot filter. I'm going to take the name dot starts with a. So with this, one new stream is created. Already names available as a collection. Names dot stream. When I use names dot stream, it created one stream object. On that stream, I'm calling the filter method. For the filter, I'm giving a condition name with name dot starts with of a. So this filter method is giving another stream. On that stream, I'm calling the map dot map. Whatever the name I'm getting, that name plus hyphen plus name dot length. Got it? Whatever the name is available, I'm transforming the name into name plus name dot length. So here I'm doing a filter. Here I'm doing the transformation. Whatever the name is available, name I am transforming to name hyphen length of the name. First I got one stream in the line number 18. On that stream I am calling the filter. I got another stream. On that stream I am calling the map. I got another stream. On that stream I am calling the forEach method. Finally, I'm going to print it. System.out.println of name. System.out.println of name. Run this program. Are we able to get the output as expected? Are we able to combine the filter and map? Are we able to combine the filter and map? Now you will get more clarity on filter and map. Name is available. Name should be converted to name with length. So I'm doing the transformation. How I am doing the transformation? Name I am giving as input and I am getting the output name hyphen name length. So that is doing by map. Filter, getting the names which are starting with A. The names which are starting with A, we are converting into name with length. Then map is giving another stream. On that stream, I am calling forEach method, which is giving the output as expected. It is giving the output as expected. Able to understand this? Are we able to understand this? Yes. So this is our second example by using filter with map. Example 2 on the map method. So this is example 2 on map method. Example 2 on the map method. Now example 3. Example 3. This time my requirement is I'm going to give you one class called employee. I'm going to give one class called employee. Name will be available. String name is available. And int age available. Double salary is available. Double salary is available. Name available. Age available. Salary is available. Write a Java program to get the employee name whose salary is greater than 50,000. Task is get emp name and emp age whose salary is greater than or equal to 50,000. That is my requirement. Get the employee name and employee age whose salary is greater than 50,000. Take 5 employee objects, store that in a collection. For that, I want you people to write the logic to get the employee name and employee age whose salary is greater than 50,000. Can you guys do this? Can you guys do this requirement? Print EMP name with the EMP age whose salary is greater than 50,000. Can you write? Can you write the logic for this? Using Stream API. Using Stream API. In the interview, they will ask these kind of questions. In the interview, they will ask these kind of questions. I will give you a list of employees. Can you write the logic to print the name and age whose salary is greater than 50,000? Come on. I want to get just name and age. That's it. Not complete employee data. Print name and age. Salary greater than 50,000 using Stream API. Okay. See here. We can do this in two ways. Class employee. I'm taking class employee. Integer age. String name. Double salary. To represent data, I'm taking one constructor. String name int age double salary. Initialize the variables. This dot name is equal to name. This dot age is equal to age. This dot salary is equal to salary. Here I have taken a class. In this class, I am writing three variables and I am writing a constructor to represent data. Now let me go for a main method. Already main is available. Let me create the objects and represent them as a collection. Employee E1 is equal to new employee. I'm creating 3 employee records or 4 employee records. Name and age and salary 55,000. Good. E2, E3, E4. David 25 is 45,000 is 35,000, 65,000. Butler. Okay, Steve. Perfect. I have few records here. I have few employee records here. E1, E2, E3, E4. So they have some data. They have some data. Good. Next, let me create a stream with the data. Stream.off. Stream.off method we can use. Stream is available as an interface. Stream.off E1, comma, E2, comma, E3, comma, E4. Stream.off method will give stream object. Will give the stream object. On that stream, I want to do a filter to get the employees based on the salary. So here I'm getting stream.filter. Each employee I will pass employee.salary. If salary greater than or equal to 50,000, if salary greater than or equal to 50,000, then I will get that dot map, that employee object I am passing, and I am returning e dot name with e dot age, e dot name with e dot age. Then I'm going to use for each that employee object, whatever that we are getting. Now we are printing that system.out.println of e, println of e. Okay, can we get the expected output? Yes, working or not? Instead of writing this map directly, you can pass that e object. This is one approach to do this by using map. And the second approach is directly with the filter. You can do that. You can remove this map, e dot name plus hyphen e dot age. Like this also you can do. By using map you can do, or without map also you can do that operation. Okay guys, so in two ways we can achieve this requirement, with the map and without map. Clear? Are we able to understand what is filter and what is map? Are we able to understand what is a filter and what is map? Got it? Perfect. We can do this requirement in two ways. Okay. And the next one, guys, a little complex and a little confusing operation we are going to do. So that is a collection inside another collection. If you have one collection inside another collection, then we are going to use a concept called flatMap. Stream of streams. When you want to perform stream of streams, then we will go for that. Let me show you that. List of string Java. Now in the Java we have several courses. Arrays dot as list. Now here I'm giving core Java and I'm giving advanced Java, Spring Boot, like this. There are three courses available in Java: core Java, advanced Java, and Spring Boot. List of string UI. In the UI, I'm taking multiple courses again. Arrays dot as list of HTML. I'm taking HTML and CSS, Bootstrap, and JavaScript. Okay, so fine, good. There are two collections are available. So this is one collection object and this is one collection object. Now what I'm going to do is arrays dot as list of Java, UI. These two collections I added to one more collection, which is my courses. Okay, so if you see inside the list, another list is available. How can we represent this diagrammatically? This is one collection. In this collection, we have Java courses, core, advanced, boot. This is one collection. So this collection is called as Java collection. This collection is called as Java collection. Now similarly, here we have HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap. Right. Now, this is our UI collection. Java collection and UI collection is available. Now I am keeping this Java collection, UI collection in another collection, which is called courses collection. Understand? What is the meaning of collection inside another collection? Inside one list, few other lists available. Courses. When I call the courses list, what courses list will come? Java courses. Java courses. Under Java courses, again we will get some sub courses. Core Java and advanced Java and boot. When it comes under UI courses, there are set of courses available in the UI, HTML, CSS, something like that. CSS and Bootstrap. Okay guys, so can I consider this as a collection inside another collection? Can I consider this concept as a collection inside another collection? Yes or no? Java collection is one object, UI collection is one object. These two objects are part of one collection, sub-collections. So in the project development, we are going to represent these kind of sub-collections also. So here I'm taking Java courses. Here I'm taking UI courses. Java courses I'm considering as one object. UI courses I'm considering as one object. With these two objects, I have created one more collection. Now I want to print all the courses. I will give you my final courses object. I want you to print this object. Can we print directly by using stream courses.stream forEach? I'm going to print it by using system.out.println. System.out.println of C. I'm trying to create a stream from the courses. From the courses, I'm printing that collection. Let us see what happened now. Printed. Java collection is printed. Now I want to print the courses one by one, not like this. It is printing as one collection. I want to print them one by one and one by one. When you have a nested collection, then we will go for a concept called flatMap. So two collections are available, right? Make them as flat. Make them as a linear collection, sequential collection. For that, we will go for courses.stream is created now. Courses.stream, stream.flatMap. Then we are going to give that to the flatMap, and then we are again getting one stream. From that stream, we are going to call the stream method. Then it is going to give me stream of flatMap. Then we are going to do flatMap dot for each course, then system.out.println of that course. Okay, when you have a nested collections, then to make it flat, we will go for a concept called flatMap. So directly, if you have a single collection, then you can call for each method directly. on that collection. But my collection is having some sub collections. Here my collection is a course. My inside the course, Java is one collection, UI is one collection. A collection inside another collection. When one collection is available inside another collection, then we will go for flat map. Okay guys, what is the purpose of a flat map? What is the difference between normal map and flat map? What is the difference between normal map and flat map? What is the difference between normal map and flat map? Normal map is used for transforming the data available in the stream. Flat map is used to deal with the sub collections, collection with another collection, nested collection. Observe this code. Able to understand, guys? Understood. Flat map is basically to make everything as simple stream. If you have multiple collections, a collection inside another collection, this flat map is giving each collection as one stream, right? So whenever we take this flat map, whenever we have courses, inside the courses, what is there? Java courses, one collection is available. UI courses, one collection is available. Whenever we call courses.stream, we got the stream object. On that, inside that stream, list of collections available. I want to make everything as flat, simple, linear collection. Now, so for that, we are calling a method called flatMap method. Whenever you call this flatMap method, I'm giving that each stream, each collection, and each collection converted to stream. So here, these two collections, sub collections are available. On this collection, I'm calling a stream. Then this will become one element. Java collection is one element. UI collection will become one element. The elements of the Java collection, the elements of the UI collection should come into one stream. Generally, when I apply stream method on the courses, Java courses will become one element, UI courses will become one element. On that element, when I apply again stream, list of elements will come, Java courses, UI courses, everything I want to represent as one stream. That means sub collection elements should be represented by using one stream. For that, we are going for flat map. Okay, guys, here flat map is a method. Here, this is just one variable, FM. Flat map stream, I can call it as. Here it is a method, courses.stream.flatMap. So whenever I call the flat map from the stream, sub collection will come. S is representing one sub collection. That sub collection I'm calling as that sub collection I'm transforming to another stream. Second, first S will represents Java collection, and Java collection I'm transforming to one stream, and I will get UI collection. UI collection I'm transforming to the stream. Java collection elements, UI collection elements will be represented as one stream. For that we will go for flatMap. Understood? So sub collections are there, each collection having some elements. All the sub collection elements will be represented as a single stream by using that flatMap. Perfect. flatMap. This is also one method introduced in the Stream API. flatMap method. What is the input for this? Function only. Function only. Good. flatMap method. This also will be asked in the interview, guys. What is flatMap method? What is flatMap method? It is taking function as a input. What is flatMap method? flatMap method is used to flatten the list of streams. flatMap, it is used to flatten. It is used to flatten list of streams into single stream. It is used to flatten list of streams into single stream. Good. Next one. So we understood map and filter. The next one is we are going for slicing operations. We are going for slicing operations. Slicing operations on the streams. Slicing operations on stream. Slicing operations with the stream. Slicing operations with the stream. Sir, what is the meaning of slicing operations? What is the meaning of slicing operations? Now, in the slicing operations, we have one method called distinct. If you want to get the unique elements, then you can go for distinct. And there is another method called limit. There is another method called skip. Skip. Now, I will give you list of names. From the names, get the unique names. I will give you a list of names. From that names, get the unique names. Then you will go for a distinct method. There are 10 records are available. Out of the 10 records, get the first 5 records. Then we will go for limit method. Okay, distinct method is used to get unique elements from the stream. To get unique elements from the stream. Limit method to get number of elements from the stream based on the given size. Okay, here we are going to give size as a input. Get list of elements from the stream based on given size. Based on the given size. Skip method also going to take n number as a input. It is used to skip the given number of elements from starting. It is used to skip the given number of elements from the starting. If I give skip of 3, first 3 elements will be skipped and it will give the remaining elements. It is used to skip given m number of elements from the starting. It is used to skip given number of elements from starting position of the stream. These are called as slicing operations with the stream. Distinct, limit, skip. Distinct, to get unique elements from the stream. Suppose if you store some names, duplicate names also can be available. From that I want to get distinct names. To get unique elements from the stream, we can go for a distinct. Limit, get list elements from the stream based on the given size. Get elements from the stream based on the given size. Limit to that particular number. Skip, it is used to skip given number of elements from starting position of the stream. Let us make an example on this. Here I have Java courses, or else let me store some. Core Java, Advanced Java, Spring Boot, Core Java, Advanced Java, Spring Boot, REST API, microservices, REST API, microservices. Like this, some courses are available. Core Java, Advanced Java, Spring Boot, REST API, microservices. Now, I want to get only first three records. I want to get only first three records. Okay, how can we get that? Java courses dot stream dot limit of 3. So what is the return type of the limit method? What is the return type of the limit method? Stream only. So these slicing operations are belongs to intermediate operations or terminal operations, guys? Can you tell me? These are intermediate operations or terminal operations. These methods are returning the stream or they are returning the result. These are providing the results or they are providing the stream. They are providing the stream. So can we call it as intermediate operation? Yes, for each course, I'm going to print that system.out.println of course. So there are 5 courses available in my collection, but I'm calling limit with 3. So when I call Java courses.stream.limit of 3 for each, what happened? Only first 3 courses we got. So there are n number of records available in the collection. I want to get only first 3 records. Now I want to skip first 2 records. Java courses dot stream dot skip of 3 for each. I want to skip first 3 records. System.out.println of C. System.out.println of C. Now see this. First time it is printing 3, second one printing last 2 only. So what is the purpose of limit and skip? What is the purpose of limit and skip? Come on, guys. Limit is used to get the given number of elements from the starting. I have given limit of 3. So from this collection, stream is created. From that stream, I want to get only first 3 elements. Skip is used to remove the elements from the starting given number of elements and get the remaining elements. Similarly, we can go for distinct. Okay, let me take one more stream, something like Raja, Rani, and some Raja, Rani, and some Guru. Okay, these are the names I'm writing. Now I want to get only distinct names by using stream. For that, names.stream dot distinct dot forEach. Each name I'm going to print system.out.println of that name. See that Raja, Rani, Guru, 3 times, 3 names only printing. But actually here Raja available 2 times, Rani available 2 times, but it printed each name only 1 time. So are we able to get unique names from the collection by using stream? Which method we are calling? Distinct method we are calling. All the above 3 methods are intermediate methods. They will return new stream as a output. All the above 3 methods are comes under intermediate operational methods. All the above three methods comes under intermediate operational methods. They will perform operation. They will perform operation and returns new stream. Slicing, these operations are called as slicing. Stream filter, stream mapping, stream slicing. Three things we understood. How to do filter by using stream, how to do mapping operation by using stream, and how to do slicing operation by using stream. Distinct, limit, skip, these are called as slicing operations. These are called as slicing operations. Are you clear with my point? Good. Next one, we are having matching operations in the stream. Similar to the slicing operations, we can even perform matching operations in the stream. Matching operations in stream. Matching operations with the stream. That means I want to get the records based on some matching condition. Those are called as matching operations with the stream. How to perform matching operations with the stream? For that, there are some methods available. For matching operations, there are some methods available. Let's understand what are those methods. Let's understand what are those methods. Matching operations are terminal operations, guys. Matching operations are terminal. What is the difference between intermediate and terminal? What is the difference between intermediate operations and terminal operations? Come on. Intermediate operations means it will return the new stream. Terminal operations means returns the result directly. Matching operations with the stream. Here there is a method called any match. There is a method called any match and all match, and there is a method called none match. None match. Matching operations with the stream. Any match, all match, none match. Like that, there are three methods available. Like that, there are three methods available with the matching operations. Let me take some persons here. Class person. I will show you with this practically. Class person, I'm taking person name and person country. Okay, person name and person country I'm going to take. String name and string country. I'm taking a person object to represent the data. Let me take one parameterized constructor to represent the data in the object, string name and string country. Okay, this dot name is equal to name and this dot country is equal to country. Now let me represent a few persons here. Person objects I'm going to represent. Person P1 is equal to new person. Some names I'm going to take here. Some John. This person belongs to USA. And person P2 is equal to new person. Some Steve. This person is belongs to Japan. And person P3 is equal to new person, and I'm taking my name Ashok, India. India. And person P4 is equal to new person. His name is Ching from China, like this. Now I have 4 persons. I have 4 persons. Now these 4 persons I'm representing as one collection. Arrays dot as list. Arrays dot as list P1 comma P2 comma P3 comma P4. P4. Okay. Collection is created. Persons collection is created. Now in these persons, is there any Indian available in these persons collection or not? I want to check. If Indians available, I want to get true. If Indians not available, I want to get false. I don't want to get, I just want to check that in my company there are employees available. Is there anybody who is from China in our company who is working? Is there any Chinese person working in our company or not? I want to understand quickly. Okay guys, for that we will go for matching operations. Matching operations. Persons dot stream dot any match. Any match is expecting what parameter, guys? Any match method expecting what parameter? Predicate to check the condition. It is expecting predicate. I will give person, any person dot country dot equals to India. Okay. Now what is the return type of any match? Just a boolean status. That's it. So earlier, whatever the methods we used, filter method, map method, flatMap method, limit method, skip method, distinct method, those all are intermediate operations. Those all are intermediate operations. Those methods performed operation, they returned a new stream as a return type. But any match method is doing what? It is checking the condition for all the persons available in the collection. Stream is created for the collection and it is checking, is there any person country belongs to India? If yes, it will give that any Indian available in our persons list. System.out.println any Indian available. Any Indian available or not, I want to check it. That is the status. So this is all match, any match method. Is it a intermediate method or is it a terminal method? Is it a intermediate method? Is it a terminal method? There is one Indian available in the collection. Yes, true. One Indian is available. Ashok country is India. Any match. Is there any person whose country is matching with India? Yes. So any match method. So these methods are belongs to terminal operations. These methods belongs to terminal operations. The above three methods are belongs to terminal operations. Terminal operations. Intermediate operations means they will do the operation and they will return new stream. Terminal operations means they will do the operation, they will give some value as output. Some value, not the stream. Stream is not the output. Stream is not the return type. Any match method means at least one person belongs to India or not. It is checking that. Okay. Suppose, is there any person who is belongs to Canada? Country dot equals to Canada. Status 1, status 2. Any Canadian available? Any Canadian available? Status 2. Is there any Canada person in the persons collection? Canadian not available. Indian available, Canadian not available. Understand? So what is the meaning of any match? Any match means it is going to check each and every record with this condition. If at least one record matched with this condition, that status will become true. Any match, at least one record. Okay. Now I want to check all the employees are Indians or not. All match. I want to check all these employees, all these persons are from India or not. All these persons are from India or not. I want to check that. So for that we have a method called all match. Persons dot stream dot all match. P dot country dot equals to India. Country dot equals to India. Status 3. All persons are from India. System dot out dot println. All persons from India. All persons from India. Status 3. False. All people are not from India because different country persons are available in the collection. All match. If all countries, all person countries are equals to India, then only status 3 will become true. If any one person not belongs to India, status will become false. So any match, all match, they are returning true or false value. They are taking predicate as a input. Predicate means we'll take the input, we'll check the condition, we'll return true or false value. Will return true or false value. Okay. Now next one, none match. There is another operation none match. None match method is available. None of the person belongs to Mexico. Mexico. Any all persons from Mexico. None match. None match. No persons from Mexico. No persons from Mexico. I'm giving it as status 4. None match. Nobody should belongs to Mexico. Yes, no persons from Mexico. At least one person should not from Mexico. Then only it should give true. None match. No person belongs to Mexico. Yes, it is true. Any one person belongs to India. Any match. All people are belongs to India. All match. No person belongs to Mexico. None match. Like this, if you have set of records, if you want to check that any record belongs to, but any record having some value, no records having this value, any record, all records should not contain this value. Such kind of operations can be done by using this matching operations with the stream. Any match, all match, none match. Okay, all these methods will take predicate as a input. All these methods will take predicate as a input. So when these methods are taking predicate as a input, what is the return type of these methods? These methods will check the condition, will return Boolean value. These methods will take the condition and will check the condition, will return the Boolean value. Map method, filter method, flatMap method, limit method, skip method, distinct method, those methods returns stream. Intermediate operations will do the operation, will return whereas terminal operations, these methods are belongs to terminal operations because they will do operation and they will return result. They will return result directly. They won't return new stream. They won't return stream. Intermediate methods will do the operation, will return the stream. Terminal operations will do the operation, will return the result directly, not the complete stream. Not the complete stream. Are you clear? What are matching operations? Are you clear what are the matching operations? The above methods will check the condition, will return true or false based on the given condition. The above methods are used to check the given condition, and returns true or false value based on condition. Based on condition. Okay, guys. Now, here on the same requirement, I want to do one more operation. That is, if any Indian is available, I want to get that Indian. Getting my point? So by using matching operations, we are able to understand, is there any Indian available or not? Yes, we are able to find out that, is there any Indian available or not? Yes, if Indian is available, yes, we are able to get that. We are able to see that status, yes, available. But now my requirement is, if any Indian is available, I want to get that Indian. I want to get that Indian. Come on, guys. Is this any match? Giving the Indian object or just to telling you Indian is available or not in the collection? Any match is used to get the data, or any match is used to check the data presence? Guys, any match method is used to get the data, or any match is used to check the condition? Any match is used to get the data, or any match is used to check the condition? Just for checking the condition. All right. Now I want to do retrieval. If any person belongs to India, I want to get that person data. If any person belongs to India, then I want to get that person data. If any person belongs to India, then I want to get that person data. Okay, let us see how we can do that. Persons. This question they will ask you in the interview. I will give you a list of persons with the name and country. If any Indian available in the collection, that get that Indian, then print that Indian, right? Okay, how can we do this? Persons dot stream dot filter then p person object p dot country dot equals to India. P dot country dot equals to India. Then that means if any Indian is available, then I want to find that person. Find any Indian or find first. Find any and find first. Get the find first Indian. If any Indian is available, first Indian I want to get. Okay, find first. Optional. What is optional? Can you guys tell me what is optional in the Java? What is optional in the Java? Can you guys tell me? What is optional in the Java? To avoid the null pointer. Whenever I call find first, why they are not giving the person object directly? Why they are giving optional object? With the given condition, person may available, may not available. Understand, guys? Okay, why this find first method not returning the object directly? Why they are returning optional object? With the given conditions, filter, a person may available in the collection, person may not available in the collection. They are returning optional object, find first. Then what we need to do? If find first dot is present, then only get that. System.out.println find first dot get. Find first dot get. So is there any chance of getting null pointer exception in the code? Guys, is there any chance of getting null pointer exception in this code? There is no chance of getting null pointer exception in this code. There is no chance of getting null pointer exception in this code. Why? Whenever I call find first I am doing a stream creation with the collection. On that stream, I am doing a filter. On that filter, I am calling find first. That means with the given condition, a record may available, record may not available. That's why they are giving optional. You cannot do operation on the optional object directly. First, you need to check optional dot is present. really the record present in the optional or not? If record is present in the optional, then we need to call the get method to get the data from the optional. So whenever you call find first, with the given filter, if condition satisfied, if any Indian available in the collection, that Indian will be stored in the optional object. First you need to check optional dot is present, really record is available in the optional or not. If the record is present in the optional, then get the record from the optional by using get method. Now run this program. Now, yes, we are able to get the person. ToString method, it is printing object representation in the ToString format. It is printing object representation in the ToString format. We are not overriding that ToString method. If we override the ToString method, then object content will be printed. Object content will be printed. Click on OK. Yes, person Indian is available in the collection. Yes, that Indian record we are able to retrieve. That Indian record we are able to retrieve. Okay, guys, suppose for example, if there are two Indians available, Ashok is available and Kumar is available from India. Now, in the given collection, Ashok from India, Kumar also from India, P5, P4, comma, P5. There are 5 persons available in the collection. Those 5 persons, out of 5, 2 people are from India. Now, which record will come as output? Which record will come as output? Persons.stream.filter. Country, if country equals to India, then find the first person. If country equals to India, then find the first person. Which one we will get as output now? Which one we will get as output now? Ashok record we are getting. Why Ashok record we are getting? Why we are getting Ashok record? There are 2 records available, right? The persons, 2 persons belongs to India. Why we are getting only Ashok record? Why we are getting only Ashok record? Come on, guys. First record. We are calling which method? Find first. There is another method called find any. There is another method called find any. I'm calling find any. When I call find any, still the first record is coming. Any record which belongs to India, we are getting that. Find any. That record we are getting. Find first or find any. Any record which is matching with the person belongs to India, we are able to get that. But my requirement is different. From these persons, get the persons who are belongs to India. Who are belongs to India. Can you guys do that? Can you guys do that? Can you write the logic by using Stream API? Can you guys do that? I want to get all the Indians. I want to get all the Indians. Now my requirement is very simple. Write the logic to get all the Indians. I don't want to print them. I want to get all the Indians objects, not printing, not for each method, not for each method. I will give you one collection. This is my persons collection. From these collections, get the Indians records. Don't print it. I want to get that Indian collection, not for each method. I don't want to print. Just I want to get the object. I want to get one collection from the collection. So here I have a collection called persons, right? I want Indian persons collection, not printing on the console. You understand my point? You understand my point? I don't want to print them. I want to get sub collection. I want to get the sub collection. Think about it. Guys, you understand the requirement. Find all method not available. We have only two methods. One is find any, another one is find first. That's it. Find any, find first. That's it. But my requirement is like this. I'm giving you one collection. In this collection, there are few persons available. Person 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These persons are from different countries. From this collection, I want to get another collection. This collection should get only Indian records. There are 2 Indians available. Only those 2 Indians I want to get. Sub collection. This is my collection 1 and this is my collection 2. This is my requirement. All persons collection. And this is Indians collection. From one collection of records, I want to get the records which are belongs to the persons who are belongs to India. The persons who are belongs to India. Mohan, you are printing by using forEach method. I don't want to print. Surya, you are printing. I don't want to print, man. I don't want to print. You guys are printing. I don't want to print. I don't want to use forEach. In order to do that, we need to go for a concept called collectors operations. I want to collect data from stream. Collectors with stream. What is that? Collectors with stream. I need to go for collectors with stream. Samjhe? How to do the collectors from the stream? Now see here. Observe. Now I have some persons. From these persons objects, I created persons collection. P1, P2, P3, P4, P5. There are 5 person objects are available. I created persons collection. From this persons collection, I will create a stream. Persons.stream. Persons.stream dot filter P. Each person object I am passing P dot country dot equals to India. Dot, not for each. I don't want to print. I want to collect. There is a method called collect method is available. What is the purpose of collect method? Collectors dot to list. Collectors dot to list. What it is returning? It is giving me Indians. From one collection, I'm able to filter the data and I'm getting another collection. That is called collector. That means whichever the records matched with this condition, I want them to be stored into another collection. This is my persons collection. From this persons collection, I'm filtering the Indians data into another collection. For that, we need to go for collect method. Okay, whatever the records you are filtering. Earlier we are printing them directly. Now I don't want to print. I want to filter and I want to get the filtered data. Understood? What is the purpose of forEach and what is the purpose of collect? What is the difference between forEach and collect? Guys, what is the difference between forEach and collect? What is the difference between forEach and collect? forEach is used to print. Then what the collect is doing? Whatever the data we got from the filter, whatever the data is in the stream, that stream data we are collecting and we are storing into another collection. Okay, collect.collectors to list. Whatever the data we collected, that data I am stored into another list. That data is stored into another list. System.out.println, system.println Indians.size. How many Indians are available? How many Indians are available? That size I want to print. 2. In the 5 persons collection, 2 Indians are available. Those Indians I separated into another collection. I'm able to get the size of that collection. That Indians now you can print by using for each loop or for each method we can use Indians dot for each. Each Indian object I want to print. System.out.println. Okay, so when you need to go for collect, if you want to collect some data from the stream, then you can go for collect method. If you want to collect the data from the stream, then you can go for collect method. After doing the collection, I'm getting another collection. From that collection, I'm printing this data. This is collector's operation. This is collector's operation. Are you guys clear with my point? Are we guys clear with my point? What is the purpose of collectors? Collectors are used to collect data from stream. Collectors are used to collect the data from stream. Okay, so this is one example for collectors. Example 1 on the collectors. Now I have here another requirement, guys. Now I have here another requirement. Can you collect the names of the persons who are belongs to India? Okay, collect names of persons, only names who are belongs to India and store into names collection. Okay, this is my requirement. Write the logic for this. Assume that you have a persons collection. Collect names of persons who are belongs to India and store into names collection. Collect names of persons who are belongs to India and store into names collection. Try that. Try that. Are you guys trying the logic? Yeah, I'm giving 3 minutes of time. I just want to collect just names of the persons who are belongs to India. I want to collect the names from the collection who are belongs to India. Yeah, Iqbal, you are good. Correct. Vicky, it's wrong. Arvind, it's correct. Who is this guy? Abhishek, P. Abhishek, it's wrong. Sindhu, it's wrong. Jyoti, correct. Ganesh, correct. Akash Gupta, wrong. Mohan, wrong. Yeah, see here. I want to collect just names of the persons who are belongs to India and store those names into another collection, right? Persons dot stream. First, I need to stream the collection. Persons dot stream dot filter each person I'm traversing p dot country dot equals to India. Once it is filtered, then I need to transform, right? Person data is available. From that person data, I just want to get the name. First, I need to do the filter. Then I need to do the map transforming. So filter will give you all the persons belongs to India. From the Indian persons, I just want to collect the names only. Map of p dot name dot collect collectors dot collectors dot to list. Okay, it will give me all the names. This is the logic for this. This is very frequently asked question in the interview. I will give you a list of employees. Can you print the names of the employees who are belongs to Hyderabad location? I will give you a list of name. I will give you a list of employees. From the list of employees, can you print the names of the employees who are belongs to Hyderabad? Filter plus mapping plus collection. Three operations we are doing. Filtering plus mapping plus collecting. Okay, I got the names. Those names I can print now. System.out.println of names. System.out.println of names. Ashok and Kumar belongs to India. Only those two names we are getting into another collection. So are we able to filter one collection and getting the filtered data into another collection by using collect method? By using collect method, are we able to do that? Come on. Understood. What is collect? What is the purpose of collect? Collect is used to collect the data from the stream. Collect is used to collect the data from the stream. Example 1 with the collector. Collectors with the stream. Collectors are used to collect data from stream. Example 1 with the collectors and example 2 with the collectors. In the example 1, we are getting all the persons who are belongs to India. In the example 2, all the Indians persons just names we are collecting. Indians names we are collecting. Example 2. Example 2, collectors. So can we implement this logic? Suppose for example, in my company, I want to get the email IDs of all the employees working in Hyderabad location. All the employees email IDs who are working in Hyderabad location. So can we apply the same logic? Filter the employees who are belongs to Hyderabad. From that employee, get the just email ID, collect the each email ID and store into another collection. समझे? Good, perfect. So with this we understood collector operations with the stream. Finding operations also we understood. Find one, find any, find first operation also we understood. Finding operations, collection operations, matching operations, slicing operations, and mapping operations. Mapping is used to transform the data. Filtering also we have done. Filtering is used to filter the data. Filtering is used to filter the data. Filtering the data. Intermediate operations we have done, and terminal operations also we have done. Intermediate operations we have done, and terminal operations also we have done on this. Clear? This code is not in GitHub. I'm uploading this class notes on daily basis. This note file, every example I'm keeping in the notes, and the notes file I'm uploading in the portal. You can download these notes from the portal. Clearly, theoretically plus programmatically, I'm preparing the notes. These notes I am uploading in the portal. After the class is completed, you can access that. Good guys, fine. So with this, we understood collectors, matching, finding, slicing, mapping, filtering operations. So as of now, what operations we have done on the stream? We completed filters, mappings, slicing, finding, matching, collecting. These operations we completed on the stream API. Filters, mappings, slicing, finding, matching, collecting. To do the filter, which method we have? Direct filter method we have. To do the mappings, we have map method and we have flatMap method. To do the slicing, there are three methods available. One is distinct method available. Another one is limit method is available, and another one is skip method is available. Okay, all these are intermediate operations. The remaining are the remaining are terminal operations. First three are intermediate operations: filter method, map method, flatMap method, distinct method, limit method, skip method will return the new stream. Okay, but when you go for finding operations, find first, find any, find first and find any. These methods will give optional object as a return type because they are not sure whether the data is present or data is not present. Matching operations, any match, all match, and none match. These methods will return just true or false value. Collecting operations, it is having a method called collect method. Filters, mappings, slicing, finding, matching, collecting. These operations we have completed. Are you clear? So first set one. So these are intermediate operations. These are intermediate operations that we have completed. And second set, these are terminal operations. Whatever these operations are available, these are terminal operations on the stream. What is the difference between intermediate operations and terminal operations? Intermediate operations will do the operation and will return a stream. Intermediate operations will do the operation and will return the stream. What about the terminal operations? Terminal operations will do the operation, will return result, will return the result, will return stream, will return stream. After operation, they will return the stream. These methods will return result. That is the difference between the intermediate operations and terminal operations. Intermediate operations and terminal operations. Are you clear with my point? Okay, can you guys practice before coming to next session? We have next session on Monday. Tomorrow is Christmas. I wish you happy Merry Christmas for all of you. So tomorrow is holiday, Christmas holiday I'm giving you. आप लोग enjoy करो. We have next class on Monday. Monday, 5 o'clock, Advanced Java is going to start. Offline batch is there for Advanced Java. Monday, 5 o'clock, our Advanced Java batch is getting started. 5 to 6 Advanced Java class will happen from Monday onwards. Advanced Java Zoom link already I shared in the group. The people who are interested for Advanced Java, they can attend in the online. People who are not in Hyderabad, they can attend in the online. People who are available in Hyderabad, they can come to offline class. Okay, from Monday, offline class will be there for Advanced Java. So streams not completed, guys. Still some operations are there on the streams. Some few more concepts are left with the streams. Those things we have to discuss on the Monday. Okay, good. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Good night, happy weekend, and happy Merry Christmas. So we'll meet again on Monday. So Monday, Java 8 class will start at 6:30. I will tell you the timing for Java 8. Monday advanced Java demo class is there at 5 o'clock. So the timing for Monday I will update in the group. Java 8 timing I will update in the group. Okay, guys, good. Thank you, all of you. See you on Monday.